be taking a look at the professional live streaming device. This one basically has a phone mount slash camera mount, and then you have a ring light that has 3 different color modes, and then it has a ton of different adjustments for brightness. This is the black variant. This retails for about $30 on Amazon. I'll throw a link up in the description. But we have just a plain white box, so let's get into it right now. Alright, so here it is. Let's get everything out of the box first. So this is for the camera. It's basically a camera mount, and you can mount on a GoPro, a webcam, or anything small like that. I don't recommend DSLR because it's too heavy. And then here is your phone mount. So that's everything out of the box. Take a closer look. So here it is. You have a protective foam. So this this metal long goose arm is very sturdy actually. I don't know if you've seen my other video, but I made one like about 2 years ago, but a different long goose arm, and it wasn't that good. Compared to this one's definitely high quality. I'm definitely going to be using this for mine. But anyways, how you install it is you take this, you just screw it off, and then you apply it like so. That's pretty much all you do. I've seen some people actually put it in like this, and then put this on, and then they screw it in. However you want. Yeah, do that, but it'll be more stiff, so I don't really recommend it because it'll be really stiff. So if you have it in one area the whole time and you want it to be stable, then definitely use it. But if you don't, then you can take this bottom part off and it'll be 360 degrees. Same thing for this. You just put it on there, and then you can put your GoPro or whatever on there. I'm not going to put it on there because I don't have a GoPro or anything like that. But rip it. So I'm just gonna rip it. Alright. It's off. So this is about, and then you have a nice clamp here. This one is actually really sturdy, like really sturdy. Which is really cool. So you have a really sturdy mount for a clip. And then here is the brightness adjuster control panel. So you have a on button, a brightness decreaser, a color changing, and a brightness increase button. And then the cord length I think is about 5 feet in total, which is really good. So let's go ahead and plug this in real quick, and we're going to show you everything you can do with this. There we go, it is plugged in. So this is very useful for like Instagram live streams, Twitch live streams, anything like that. You can just, anything in general, TikTok live streams, you can do that. It has a nice ring light. It doesn't take up too much space, but it is extremely bright. So let's go and turn this on. 3, 2, 1. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and untangle this. I'm going to use this for my setup right now. It's basically like an upgrade. So here it is. I don't know what setting it's at. Okay, so it's at the brightest, and then this is the lowest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's about 10 different brightnesses. 9 to 10, however you want to put it. This is the brightest, and then you have a color changing. So you have a warm light, like a mixture of cool and warm. So it's like a normal neutral light, cool, warm, and neutral. And then yeah, so let's see how bright this is. So as you can see, it's practically lighting up a good amount. Let's go ahead and get a product real quick. Alright, so we got a product. This is of a video we just did right now. But as you can see, you can practically see everything with this. And then let's go ahead and change the brightness or the color temperature. So this is a cooler one. This is a warmer. And this is neutral. I always put it on neutral. And then you can obviously do it lower, and yeah. So since this is going to be facing towards your eyes and stuff, I don't recommend putting it too bright unless you're not going to be looking directly at it, but don't put it too bright. I'm not sure if it gets hot. It doesn't feel hot at all yet, and we haven't had it on for too long, but about 5 stars on Amazon, so I definitely recommend you guys check it out. Link is in the description. I'm going to go ahead and show some examples of other people using it, and I definitely recommend you guys check it out. I'm going to go ahead and set it up in my setup, and I'm going to show you just everything else. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So let's pretend this is like a gaming setup or whatever. I could put my phone right here, as you can see. So it fits up to really big phones, even with the case, which is really cool. So you can put your phone right here, and then you can turn on the light via the USB port It could be on the back of your TV, your monitor, your laptop, your PC, whatever you want, and then you can turn it on. So it gets really bright, which is really cool. This is the brightest setting, and you can see basically it reaches basically all the way over here. But for like closer setups, definitely use it, obviously. But it is pretty bright, definitely effective, definitely worth it. And as you can see, it just right there, just sits right there. And I'm live streaming with a phone. If you're going on Twitch or whatever, for the webcam, obviously use a webcam or like a GoPro or something to be able to live stream, because that is the most effective method. That maybe you can like put that as a chat if you don't have a second display. So you can put that as a chat, that is the light source, and then you can have your little camera on your monitor or something, and then, you know, however you want. This is all up to you. It's all up to your setup, but definitely worth it. Only 30 bucks. Definitely a really good price for what it can do and what it's capable of. So yeah, definitely check a look in the link description. So here's one example of the webcam being used and the light as well. So it's a really good idea to be able to use both of them. You can either choose a mobile phone or a webcam, and both work perfectly fine, and they're just amazing in general. So thank you to this person for putting the picture on Amazon. Credit to you, by the way. And it's nice photo, nice example of how you're able to be using it. Another example is this one by this person, by Andrew. This is another great way if you don't want to put your webcam above your PC because it might interfere with the screen. You can have it raised and you can just move it around however you want, as well as the light. These are good for Zoom meetings, for teachers, for TikTokers, even anyone that goes live stream or is on a screen or is posting on social media in general. You're able to be using this. It's good for work, and it's only $30. Another way is for Twitch streamers. So this guy right here is using it for like a Twitch stream or something. I can tell because he has a gaming setup. So yeah, you can use this for exactly that reason. So this is good for gamers, social media marketers, web people, anyone on the web, basically on the internet. You can use this for multiple different reasons for only 30 bucks. That's a very, very good deal. So yeah, if you are basically on anything for YouTube, for makeup, for gaming, for anything, basically, you can use this for multiple different reasons. There's an unlimited amount of reasons to be able to use this, and it just works perfectly. It works flawlessly. Also, a quick announcement. I still have the giveaway going on for the Limoon City RGB strips, so if you want to check that out, link is in the description for the video announcement. The giveaway ends on September 30th, and I'll announce the winners on October 1st. So stay tuned for that, and also I'll leave a link in the description for this video, and there's also a 10% off discount code depending on when you're watching it. If it's before September 30th, it's 15% off. If it's after September 30th, it's 10% off. So these are really good price. So if you want RGB strips for a cheap price, definitely check these out. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you're new around here. It only takes 5 seconds to do so. Thank you.